We have some mild conditions out there on this Saturday evening, and I wanted to showcase our Mandalay Bay camera. You can see the track in the distance all lit up. Very exciting as we get into those final hours before the race starts. But we are tracking some gusty conditions out there. I know I've seen some of the camera shots, and it does look a little bit breezy. Good news is we do have milder conditions in store for Sunday. That wind is going to mellow out. Some rain and snow chances in just a few days. But for tonight, we do have F1 kicking off at 10 p.m. It's going to be 62 degrees around that time. Still seeing some stronger breezes coming in from the south around 14 miles per hour. 11, we're looking at 61 degrees. And then by midnight, we are going to be dropping into the 50s. We'll eventually cool down to the upper 40s tonight in Las Vegas. Right now, those temperatures across Clark County are generally in the 50s and 60s. We're 59 towards Boulder City, 65 towards Las Vegas. Indian Springs, 66 degrees. Prim just teetering around 60 right now. Like I said, we're going to cool all the way down to the upper 40s, low 50s here in the Las Vegas area tonight. Maybe a little bit warmer towards the city center, but you can see when you get out there to Henderson, we're going to be 48 tonight. Now, the wind speeds, of course, are something we're all thinking about. It's 23 miles per hour towards Las Vegas right now. Like I said, we're going to be calming down just a little bit over the next few hours, but we'll still see that breeze through the next few hours. Now, wind advisory in effect for Las Vegas. We could see some blowing debris out there, some blowing dust. I know I saw some imagery of blowing dust earlier today. Wind gusts are even stronger as we push towards the border of Clark County. We're seeing them over 65 miles per hour. Same with southern Nye County. So definitely some stronger conditions over the next few days. Temperatures are going to be cooling down a little bit, and we're looking at active weather first kicking off on Monday. Here's a look at that extended forecast. Tomorrow, a high of 64 degrees.